everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, then please go ahead and subscribe. You can hit the little subscribe button down below, and also don't forget to hit the little notification bell. That way you're notified when I post a new video. So today, if you are a unicorn lover and you are here because you would like to see another unicorn project, well, I have one for you. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this unicorn centerpiece. It's really easy to make and it's really cute. And I'm going to show you how to make this tissue paper flower palm and then how I attach the unicorn horn and ear cutouts. You can find the link to these unicorn cutouts down below in the description box. And you can actually make the flower palms any size and any color that you want. I think that these will go great for a unicorn themed birthday party. So if you want to see how I made them, then continue watching. So for this unicorn centerpiece, I am using 10 sheets of tissue paper in the size of 10 by 10. And I'm going to be using a pipe cleaner. And also I am using these unicorn cutouts. I use these unicorn cutouts in my unicorn birthday letters video, and you can click on the eye above if you'd like to see that. I'll also link it down below. And also I will link down below where you can get these unicorn cutouts. Also, I'm going to just be using a small piece of this cardstock paper. And also I'm going to be using my hot glue gun. And also I'm using some take hold. This is just fingertip grip, and this helps me thumb through my tissue paper flowers. I do not lick my fingers, but you're more than welcome to. And you're going to need a pair of scissors. So I'm going to take my tissue paper sheets here, and I'm going to make sure that they are even and stacked up top of each other nice and neatly. And I'm going to start folding it in accordion style. So I'm going to fold my accordion folds in about 1 inch. Just make sure that you push those sides down nice and neatly. This side doesn't really matter that it's off like that. I guess I was a bit crooked when I cut, but that does not matter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my pipe cleaner. I'm just going to find the center of my tissue paper here. And then I'm going to go ahead and wrap that pipe cleaner around it. Make sure it gets nice and tight. This is going to hold your tissue paper flower in place. Just cut off that excess. So now I'm going to take my tissue paper here, and I'm just going to go ahead and round off the sides. You can even find these pre-made at the craft store. I've even seen them in the dollar store, but the thing is you're limited on colors. So if you learn how to make these yourself, then you can just pick out any tissue paper color and make them. And these do not have to be perfect. Just to where it gives it some shape. I have my tissue paper rounded. It is not perfect and it does not need to be. So this is where I take my take hold, and you can see that I've had this for a long time, but I'm just going to go ahead and put my fingers in there. And now I'm going to start pulling up my tissue paper. So this is where you need to be careful, because if you're too rough, then your tissue paper will rip. So I just find that if you take your time, you go slow, and you take your fingers down and you pull them up from the base, then they won't rip. Okay, so that is one side done so far. So now I'm going to switch over here to this opposite side. So now that I have my tissue papers all pulled up, I'm just going to kind of shape it into a round flower here. And so now, this step is optional, but I do this section just because I like for it to be a complete round flower and not like have this little gap right here, like if you can see that. So I am going to take my hot glue gun and just put a little dab. You don't really need a lot. And just kind of glue those sides together, like so. Just hold them there until the tissue paper dries, which shouldn't take that long. So I'm just going to do that for a few of them here. So I've got those glued. I'm just going to kind of push these ends into each other here just to form that up just a bit more. So I am happy with how that is fluffed up. So now it is time to add my unicorn horn and ears. So I am going to take a little bit of this cardstock here, and I am just going to put it like this on the back and fold it over a bit. And then just cut a small piece like this. This is just going to help my unicorn sit in there. I'm going to put some hot glue here on the back of my unicorn horn. And glue that on there like so. So now I have this little lip here. I'm going to take my horn, find the centerpiece of my flower, and go ahead and put some hot glue on the bottom there. And pop that down in the middle. So I'm going to take my ear and put a little bit of hot glue on there and glue that to that tissue paper. So that's what that looks like so far. I'm going to take my other ear, put a little bit of hot glue on that one, and put it on this side. So then that is what it's going to look like, my centerpiece. So see how simple and easy it is to make this adorable unicorn centerpiece. Also, don't forget to check out my other DIY unicorn videos. I will link it down below my playlist where you can watch all those videos if you would like. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.